Welcome to Western Building Products network of dealers. You now have access to our quoting tool, OneSource, where you can easily generate quotes and configure products for your customers. In this video, we will review how to restore archived quotes in OneSource. First, navigate to the My Quotes tab on the upper left-hand corner of the menu bar. Next, click on Search Quote Archive underneath the New Quote button. This is where you will find your archived quotes. You can sort or filter your archived quotes by the created date, quote number, quote name, and more. You can also search for a specific quote using this same criteria. You can perform an advanced search by clicking on the Advanced Search button. On the Advanced Search page, you can filter quotes by dates, company, quote details, quote status, and quote review. In this example, we are going to search for an archived quote that was created between January 1st, 2025 and January 31st, 2025. In order to restore this archived quote, click on the Restore icon in the same row as your desired quote. It may take a few moments for your request to be processed. Congratulations! You have successfully restored an archived quote in OneSource. Thank you for watching the OneSource Restore Archived Quotes video. For more resources, please visit our website at westernone.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.